Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to now run decryption. And I am curious if you've probably already done this already. So we just have to think about this in reverse. So we're going to need to subtract that and pretty much go through this because we need to know, we need to apply the same rules and the same code to this for next time. So D or D I Unicode, subtract the code for I in text, not test, close that out, new, going to use our join method, and the same idea, I in, run through, and what I forget again. I think I did that last time. And then print, and since we know what we're doing, we're going to run, since we just created that, we're going to run this inside our decrypt. New, so let's get that out of the way so you can see. Let's see if we did it right. There we go. I made a 50 on my test. So that is a quick little decryption file using the tools that we have at hand. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. And most important, that notification bell. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.